Hello, my name is Sharon Taylor, and I'm the coordinator of the Southeastern Orthopedic Foot Club meeting, which will be held at the beautiful Marriott Grand Hotel Resort in Point Clear, Alabama, on Thursday, May 16, 2013. I would like to extend an invitation to you to join us for our half-day conference where you can earn 5 CME credits, expand your knowledge, add to your success, and have fun all at the same time. Just go to the website, fill out the registration form, and hit the submit button. Or if you'd rather, you can print out a registration form and send it along with your check to the address listed on the registration form. If you prefer to pay for your registration using your credit card, hit the appropriate Pay Here button for your area of expertise. Don't forget to make your hotel reservations if you plan to stay overnight. Directions are on the website. If you would like to receive even more CME credits, you can register for the Alabama Orthopedic Society meeting, which immediately follows our meeting. Hope to see you in May.